Hello, and I'll be showing you guys how to build a semi. So let's begin. First thing you're going to do is put 4 black concrete powder, then put stone in a T shape right here in the center. Then go put a 9 by 9 stone slabs area. Then put 2 dark black sand, black concrete powder. And there we go, we got the bottom part of the semi almost done. Then what we're going to do is add 6 white concrete, add 2 iron doors to each side. Now you're going to build a 2 by 6 area on 2 sides of the semi's front. Add smoothed quartz slabs over here. Add 2 white concrete over here. Another 2 over here. I'm going to add the glass. Then the white carpet. And I'll show you to the next items. Here's the next items. We're going to add 3 item frames in the front. Add a railing over here. Add 2 magma creams to the front of the car to make the lights. Then we're also going to go over to the back, add 2 of these, and add redstone dust to pointing this direction. And that's pretty much the front of the semi done. Now I'll show you the items for the back of the semi, or the trailer. Okay, so here's the next set of items. We're going to put 2 cobblestone wall pieces up here. And over here we're going to add this right here. And add it up 3 blocks high. And add another 2 blocks that way. And this is what the side of the semi should look like, or the container. And I'm going to do it on the other side. Okay, so then when you're done with that, we're going to add 4 concrete powder to the back of the semi. Then what we're going to do is add all the stone to the bottom of it. Leave a gap right there. Now I gotta go through the center here and just add it all through here. And we'll add the rest of the stone in here. We're going to add the top of the container. We're going to go to the back here, add 1 iron door, add a lever, then we're going to add 2 item frames, make sure the redstone's pointing at the door. And don't forget to get stone buttons for the wheels. And the build's pretty much done. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.